Hello, welcome to another beginner series of simple kata on code wars. Let's get to know this one. Create a function named division or divisors, sorry, that takes an integer n greater than 1, so will always be positive, and returns an array with all the integers divisors except for one, from smallest to the largest. If the number is prime, return the string integer is prime. Alright, okay, this is an example. 12, all these numbers are divisors of 12. 25, we get 5. Divisors 13, we return 13 is prime. Okay, so basically a prime number has just one and itself. Divisors. Right, so we'll just look. They say we shouldn't include 1, so we'll look from 2 till the number, like from 2 to 12, and see which one is a divisor. Like 12 divided, divisor is a number which when you divide the 12 by that number, for this case of 12, there won't be a remainder. So that's pretty simple. I can start like creating an empty array that will have the list of divisors. So I just got to leave divisors. I just put it to be an empty array. Now I'm gonna loop, simple for loop. Like I starts from 2, they said we should not include 1, and why I will loop from 2 to the number that is given, to the integer, and I plus plus. Now if we take the integer, we get the remainder of the division, the modulus, divided by I. If it's equal to 0, then it's a divisor. In that case, we're going to push it into our list. Our list of divisors. So we're going to push the integer there. Else there's nothing to push, it's not a divisor. Now by the end of this loop, let's just log in to see what our list is made up of. So we got an error somewhere because the if should be in parentheses, something like that. Okay, for the case of 15, we got 3 and 5, 3, 5, 15. So let's not include the number, so I just remove the less than sign here. We have 3 and 5. Okay, for the case of 13, it's empty. So if it's empty, we just release this text, so we can just check if that array is empty, if the list of divisors dot length is equal to 0, then we can return a string. I'll just use the backtick string. We can return the string having text, the parameter, the integer in given as a parameter is prime, something like that. Else we return our list of divisors simply. Okay, let's see how that goes. Yep, pretty simple and straightforward. So that's it. Alright guys, see you for the next video for another kata.